Hello, my crafty friends. It's Tiffany, and this is day number 10 of 20 tips. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm talking about how to organize your alphabets. I know, completely counterintuitive. I'm going to tell you, you should be organizing your alphabets by size, not by color. Oh, I know that gives some people a stomach ache, right? Because that's the natural thing, to put those alphabets by color. But when you think about how and where and when you use alphabets, the very first decision you have to make isn't color. The first decision you have to make is size. If you're spelling out the words happy birthday on a 4x6 card, you need much smaller letters than if you're spelling out happy birthday on a 12x12 layout, right? That's why you need to organize by size. So if you need smaller letters, you can go directly to that section. So this is off my scrap rack. I just pulled, it's on the 3-ring section is on Velcro, so I just pulled it off to show you today. But it doesn't matter what it is. So these are chipboard letters, right? And then these are giant sticker letters. But depending on what I'm trying to say and in how much space I'm trying to say it, I want to know what I've got by size. So if you look at all these letters, they're all about the same size. If I was trying to spell out 4th of July, now I could come here and say, okay, I need small letters to spell out 4th of July. I have red, I have blue. Maybe I've got white. No, I've got to make it all work with red and blue. So I can check the size first and then the colors, but all the things in that size group are in the same place. So it's easy to see what all of my options are, right? Counter that to storing your alphabets by color, and you would have to flip to red and say, okay, I have these red small alphabets, but I need more letters, or I don't have all the right letters, or I want to do 4th of July in red, white, and blue. Now I have to flip to blue. Do I have blue that matches? Now I have to go to white. Do I have white that matches size-wise? You use your alphabet by size, sort, store, and organize them by size, and it will make finding exactly what you need faster and easier, and that's always more fun than being frustrated, right? So there's my tip for you today. Organize, sort, and store your alphabets by size first, and then you can organize them by color within that size, and it'll make your life that much easier trying to find exactly what you need to complete your project. Thanks for tuning in today. I will see you tomorrow.